We're going to walk through how to set up a live session for your course. So you're going to come down to Course Tools, then click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. And then you're going to see a screen that looks like this. You're going to create a session. We're just going to name this the asynchronous call. I'm going to go ahead and schedule it for right now. You're going to click on Guest Access because you do want to send this out to students. The guest role will be a participant. And then you'll come over to Settings, Allow Recording Downloads. If you want anonymous chat messages, then you can click that. If you want participants to share their audio, video, etc., then click there. And then I always click Hide Book Interview and Chat Messages. If you go to Create, and then hit Save. This is what you're going to want to send to your class when you're sending out this information about the asynchronous call as well as this. So you're going to send them the link and the anonymous dial-in. So, as an instructor, when I come in there, if I want to be able to record it, I actually have to join the session from here. So you'll have to click on the asynchronous call and then click Join Session. Okay, so to start the recording, you can hit record right here. This will pop up when you first get on there. Or, if it doesn't, you can also go over here and click Start Recording. And that's it.